Thanks. My name is Ankit. I am studying in Portugal. Today I am saying about Steiner. This is Steiner. Steiner is also called as colander. He is for staining the cook or non-cook vegetable, pasta, etc. Thank you.
Welcome to Indian Hall. And Srinivardhan.
My name is Nandini. I am from HLS. Today we are here to perform the online conversation shop.
I am customer service officer.
Excuse me. Yes, ma'am. Can I help you?
Yes, please.
Thank you very much.
Do you have red saree?
Thank you.
Okay, can we have look? Oh, that's nice.
సేమ్ లెటర్స్ తీసుకోవద్దు.
ఇది తీసుకొచ్చా?
మీరు తీసుకున్నారు మేడం. ఓన్లీ 5 మేడం. 5 ఓన్లీ మేడం. సేమ్ లెటర్స్ తీసుకోవద్దు. మేడం సేమ్ తీసుకున్నారు.